I'm Peggy Thompson, and I'm a collaborative divorce coach and a child specialist.
And I'm Pauline Tesler, and I am a family lawyer, and particularly a collaborative family lawyer.
And we wrote this book, Collaborative Divorce, to let you know about a revolutionary new way to do divorce that includes the needs of the whole family and helps you through the extended process of divorce.
For everyone who's going through a divorce, whether it was chosen or not, divorce is a very traumatic experience. It involves very strong emotions at inconvenient times. And what we want to emphasize is that there are choices that each person involved in the breakup of an intimate relationship can make that have an enormous impact on how well you'll come through this grief and recovery process and how well you'll move into your new life after the divorce.
And when you're in the trauma of the breakup, it is very difficult to think clearly. You really are into the fight or flight, and you're trying to escape the pain. It's very difficult to stop and think clearly at that point.
Oftentimes I find that my clients think that if only they can just rush quickly and get a deal, any deal on paper, that that's going to end the pain. But that's actually inaccurate. What we know is that the period of most rapid change, the most destabilizing time that people have to move through, and move through well, we hope, is after a divorce judgment has been entered. Because that's when people start to rebuild their lives and the big changes begin. Moves, new jobs, new mates, all of those things. So in collaborative divorce, we're offering not a quickie deal. We're offering a method of getting the best professional help of the kinds that every family needs, not just law, but communication skills, child development, and finance in a way that helps people make wise choices at a time when it's not easy to think straight.
The reason we wrote this book is to try and help change the societal concept of divorce. In the society today, we think of divorce as a fight rather than as an ordinary transition. When 50% of adults are ending their relationship, then it's a normal transition. This is only a sample of what you'll find in there. It's rich with information and helpful hints that you can use in your divorce.
The book will give you, for example, some information about how you can talk about this choice with your spouse,
how you can talk about it with your children.
It will help you locate collaborative divorce practitioners in your community, because anywhere in North America and in the UK, so far anywhere in the English-speaking world, you should be able to find skillful collaborative practitioners who can help you this way rather than the old way.
And you don't have to make it a fight. You don't have to make it destructive. You can make it a positive, challenging change in your life.